In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a listing on eBay. This tutorial is meant for beginners and will help guide you through the process with simple, clear instructions. Ending a listing might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite straightforward once you know where to click. So let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to go to your eBay homepage. After you've logged into your account, navigate to My eBay, which is typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Hover over it and a drop-down menu should appear. From there, select Selling, which will take you to your Seller Hub. Once you're in your Seller Hub, you will find various links, but for now, let's focus on Active Listings. Click on this option to display all the items you currently have listed for sale. You'll see a list of your active listings, complete with their details such as price, views, and watchers. Next, to end a listing, you'll need to select the specific item you want to remove from your active listings. Browse through your list and find the item you're interested in ending. This is essential because we want to ensure that the correct listing is removed, especially if you have multiple similar listings. Click on the checkbox next to that item to mark your selection. With your listing selected, head over to the toolbar at the top of your listings. You'll see various options here, but what we're looking for is End Listing. Click on End Listing to proceed with the process of removing your item from active view. Now, an important step is ahead. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm your action. It will also ask for a reason why you're ending the listing. This is important as eBay uses these reasons for data and metrics, which can help improve the platform. You'll find a list of reasons to choose from, such as the item being out of stock, the item being sold elsewhere, or other personal reasons. Pick the reason that best fits your situation. Finally, after selecting your reason, you'll see a Submit button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Click on this to finalize the process. By doing this, you confirm that you wish to end the listing, and eBay will remove the item from the active listings on the site. Your item is now no longer available to potential buyers, and its listing is ended. Remember, if you ever change your mind and want to relist the item, you can easily do so by navigating back to your Seller Hub and finding your ended listings. And that's it. You've successfully ended a listing on eBay. Don't forget to check your email for any notifications about the status change of your listing. Thank you for watching this eBay tutorial for beginners.